Hello, welcome to Blockchain Ireland Enterprise Working Group. My name is Ian Keane and I'm the Working Group Leader. Today I'd like to introduce you to Blockchain Ireland and then I want to tell you why we believe blockchain is important by covering where it came from and where we believe blockchain is going. And then finally, I want to talk to you about our agenda for 2021 and what the Enterprise Working Group is looking to achieve. Blockchain Ireland was established with the support of IDA Ireland, Enterprise Ireland, and the Department of Finance to do three things. First was to establish Ireland as a global blockchain and cryptocurrency hub. Second was to create blockchain and cryptocurrency-based jobs in Ireland. Third, develop a vibrant ecosystem across Ireland, bringing together enterprise, startups, technologists, academia, government, regulators, and semi-states. Currently, there are 6 working groups within Blockchain Ireland. We have Blockchain Ireland Week, Skills and Innovation, Legal and Regulatory, Developer, Enterprise, and Startups. A little about me. As I said, I'm the Enterprise Working Group Leader. I got 29 years in the IT industry. I became interested in blockchain in 2016 when I bought my first Bitcoin, and then realized that this had more uses beyond Bitcoin itself. I formalized my education in the area by completing a master's degree in digital currency at the University of Nicosia. And I'm currently the head of technology and cloud engineering in UK and Ireland for Oracle Digital. So why is blockchain important? Well, we need to go back and look at where it came from. 2009, the Bitcoin protocol was created, which included the first blockchain. And it was a decentralized peer-to-peer cash system for the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Note there are 2 Bitcoins. There's a Bitcoin protocol and the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The Bitcoin protocol involved thousands of computers, which we call nodes, which would witness transactions and would offer their consensus after the transaction took place that that transaction is valid. Financial institutions had no interest in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, but took note of the Bitcoin protocol as it offered a highly efficient real-time gross settlement layer with no trusted third party involved. So out of this technology or innovation, if you like, private blockchains and distributed ledger technology was developed for financial applications based off the Bitcoin protocol technology. And smart contracts. Smart contracts are digital agreements that sit on top of a blockchain system. Ethereum was the first smart contract system launched in 2015. And smart contracts are thousands of computers and nodes, and they would witness every line of code in the smart contract that's being executed, as well as the transaction settlement. And this gave rise to decentralized applications, or DApps, which are made up of smart contracts. And these smart contract platforms allow complex decentralized applications to be built on top of a blockchain to transfer value when conditions are met. For example, if paid in full equals true, then supply product. Smart contract systems have proven to be more useful than just blockchain and DLT systems as they allow conditional settlement. Oracles. What are oracles and why are they important? Smart contracts and blockchains are closed systems. That's to say they have no idea what happens in the real world and depend on oracles to tell them a real world state or event. Example, the weather or stock price or GPS coordinates, etc. Smart contracts can be exploited by an oracle sending wrong data to a smart contract. For example, if an oracle was to send a stock price that triggers a buy order rather than a sell order, that could have grave consequences for a business. So for smart contracts to be widely accepted and useful, they need to be secure. And this can be achieved by decentralized oracles. That's to say we've got many oracle nodes attesting to the value supplied to one smart contract for execution. This, of course, is a massive opportunity for data generating companies as they will be able to sell their data into smart contract systems. So how does it all fit together? Well, blockchain is considered an exponential technology, but when you combine blockchain with other exponential technologies, such as AI and IoT, the impact could be huge and could give rise to a whole new digital commerce era. So what would this look like? Well, we got digital currencies which will create new forms of money. And this will be programmable and active money for machines. Blockchains will create a new internet layer on top of the existing internet that's there. And this is called an internet of value, or some people call this Web 3.0. And industry will meet finance. That's to say, industry will interact with algorithms and blockchain technology for its financial needs. And the consequences of this will be vast. Money will be transacted in nano quantities, which will lead to machine and human to machine commerce, i.e. nanofinance. We'll have autonomous AI-based economic agents will emerge. We've got cloud-based autonomous corporations, which will be made possible. For example, we'll have self-driving banks or self-driving taxis, which will have no staff. But before we can move to that new era, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. And one of the first tasks is education and training. The general population needs to understand what blockchain is and how it can create value in their personal lives as well as their businesses. So top of our agenda is education. We're going to reach out to industry and bring guest speakers to talk about their experiences of blockchain in their business. And with Blockchain Ireland Week is a nationally dispersed conference that brings entrepreneurs, developers, and corporate leaders together over 7 days to connect, build momentum and opportunities in blockchain across the country. We're then looking to offer thought leadership on Ireland's national blockchain policy. And also we're looking to highlight on how working with regulators will accelerate blockchain adoption in the enterprise. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to get in touch to learn more, or even to contribute to Blockchain Ireland, our contact email is above. Or alternatively, you can contact me directly on LinkedIn. Thank you very much for listening.